What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you and I'm super excited because we are going to be comparing the OG 1-year-old Chanel No. 2 slime recipe to the brand new and improved one. I am super excited for this. If you're excited for the video as well, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Here are the unicorn fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here. I love you very freaking much. You already know what it is. You have your post notifications on, you are subscribed, and you always comment within like the first 30 minutes of the video, hashtag unicorn fam. So thank you for that. I love you. If you would like a comment shout out in one of my videos, all you have to do is comment down below using hashtag unicorn fam. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on post notifications. Also y'all, the slime bash is legit this Saturday. I am freaking out. I'm so excited to meet you all. Let me know down below if you got tickets to the slime bash, if you're going to see me. I'm really excited. I also just wanted to include a little warning. I do have a little cut on my hand. It's kind of like a scab now. Holden actually scratched me with his nails and his nails are a little bit long at the moment. So I have like this huge scratch on me throughout the entire video while I'm making the slime. So if that just like is totally cringy for you or whatever, I'm sorry. But yeah, I am super excited to get on with the video. So let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the original 1-year-old recipe. So in a large glass bowl, I'm going to empty out some regular Elmer school glue. And then next we're going to go ahead and add in some clear glue. I'm using Maddie Ray's clear glue for this, but you can use whatever clear glue you have on hand. And when I was looking back on the live stream when I originally made this, it looked like it was equal parts. So I would say equal parts clear glue to white glue. Next I'm going to go ahead and add in some water, which I totally do not do anymore. You'll see why and I'll let you know why later. Then I'm going to add in some baby oil, a few pumps of lotion, and then we're going to go ahead and add in the scent. This is a Bubblicious scent from the Virginia Candle Supply, and we're going to mix that all together. Now that that's all combined, we're going to go ahead and add in the coloring. I'm actually using a paint that I got at Walmart. The brand is Apple Barrel and the color is 21049E Pink Parfait, just in case you want the exact color. I've always used the exact same paint color, just the shade has changed a bit, so I added definitely a lot more back in the day. She is more kind of pale now, so yeah. So now what I'm adding in here is the actual borax solution. My borax solution back in the day actually used to be half a teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of water, so you can go ahead and if you want to recreate this one exactly to the T, then that is what you are going to need for that. I just added in a little bit at a time, stirring after every time that I add it in, just until it starts to come together. Once you see that it is not sticking to the bowl anymore and it's not very sticky, you can take it out with your hands and start to knead it. Just play with it for a little bit until it's done. Now it's time for the brand new Chanel No. 2 recipe. This one is probably a couple months old since I've been using it, so we're going to go ahead and start off in the same large glass bowl. I'm actually adding in glue wall now instead of school glue, so that is one change. Then we're also going to add in some clear glue as well. I'm using the same Maddie Ray's clear glue. The only thing is a portion of it is a little bit different. I add in about 1/3 of the amount of clear glue to white glue, and then I'm going to add in a little bit of lotion. I don't add as much of that either, and baby oil as well. I'm adding in the exact same scent, which is Bubblicious, but the secret is this right here. It is vegetable glycerin. I swear by it. I put it in almost all of my slimes now. It makes it thicker and a lot glossier, so I do that. And then I added in the paint as well. As you see, I didn't add in that much because I like her to be a little bit more pastel now, a little bit more pale. It just really looks a lot nicer, so that is why I do that. So now I'm just mixing that all together. Once you have all that mixed around, you can go ahead and activate it. My activator that I use now for most of my slimes is actually 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of water. This here is just only half a teaspoon more than what I used to use. However, it's a lot better because the slime comes out thicker because you're not introducing that much water into your slime, if that makes sense. So the stronger that your borax activator is, the thicker that your slime will come out and less jiggly because there won't be that much water. So I just mixed that until it wasn't sticky anymore and then kneaded it with my hands, and then there it is. So now we have Chanel No. 2, the 1-year-old recipe and the brand new recipe. I put them in containers to let them sit overnight, and now I'm going to show you the results. So this is the 1-year-old recipe here. As you can see, the color is a lot darker on it. It is a lot jigglier, if that's even a word. More jiggly, I guess it's better to say. Yeah, it's just a lot thinner of a slime. It's not thick. It's very jiggly. It is very glossy though. That's just because the water adds to the gloss, and also the slime is a lot darker, so it's easier to see the gloss as well. Now for the brand new updated Chanel number 2 recipe. As you can see here, she is a lot more pale, however, very, very glossy. That glycerin, I'm telling you, it provides an awesome gloss. And look at how thick it is. When I open the container, look, it doesn't even stick to the top of the container. Like, that just mind boggles me. It's so, so good. I love the new updated recipe. You all seem to love it as well, so yeah. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you all think. Do you prefer the OG Chanel number 2 or do you prefer what she is now, the beautiful queen? Let me know in the comment section down below. I want to hear from you. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big slimy thumbs up. You know what to do. Help a brother out. Also, if you're brand new around here and you want to maybe stick around and see my face again and see some beautiful slime, make sure you subscribe to become a unicorn. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much and I will see you all next time. Bye!